yabre anyway lusu eti goalkeeper na mjira hey na player ba konso opani kwesi 6 and na wire crowd the guy screen so baba ono so a player menye hu ne number wobo so we be defend you so we be strike you whatever it is no the person e chere no opani say Badwam team no yen ye de sunsum atai the Black Stars achi ye kokata because ye ntimi nkone nam sa o hyew nim na yen sam fanfifire mafia ha bio ya bra ne sa de no ana kwasi o se den
eno ano na mejo so lady bokode me ti football as man na me raho
adentia
lady se na me bobo pa
na body e hibia
se na me bobo no
there be body egu ahodro basket wo ho
there be ka ball pa me magina na so dia
eno ne di ni e wen
so football yi bi
afa na wo kasa because basketball ne ba ko ni nyina me magina mo na so
na me da number 7
7 no wadwuma ne say
Evradinha
Wasim pacha obi boss 7 na adwuma ne say
in cross man ko na ho no manam dimirika 10 di ball na chi lady
na where you ne yesi akofa hoho
na me ni Frank Champon so unim Frank Champon obo Black Stars me ni Frank Champon Evradinha me Roma Asante po Roma Park so
now do de ne ye den
se be ba me na yesi me nya na me pray fa so bia ma so so ena man bu ma bam
enti Frank Champon ma me de no so o pro me ya pro ma enye za
ena na ma ai Frank Champon de e ko na nimu a
wo fa enye o sebre no
enye abononsi
enye o sebre no o sebre ni abononsi
lady se bo pa da ko sisi na so a me se metie isu de kwasa tima ko Roma Park ni so
ya jodi da na kompo yenim dada yenko kura but
say na Ghana pe winger aye dendia mai winger kese padam tie ne say
na sabre no wan kan kire wom
me kan ya
Professor Wallace wo ho Kedua wo ho Moshosho wo ho Baku do wo kasa
am say na say wo hwese na ball ne ko na
Cobblestone ne fire na Baku Maestro no mo ho ba ko no wo ye we wo Saturday no what sports ma me hu say dem nka no bra obolo no
asemo
question 6 I late but nye late sa wo bo honhom no ye de ni nyina tai the Ghana Black Stars senior squad
ba bia kodri di
echi anti
anye nya de no hagem
onso man ke cancer na ya favem wo de na onim bo no me se fa wura wo mu fasa sunsun
me fanta yeah tell them later wachi
na Black Stars team no why na ebo 7 now the 7 na koni
me nhwe ho because play keep we friend say your coach onya fa na first 11 be ball against Portugal mai it is me tie me nya hu no be ball 7 no be ball 6 no be ball 5 no be 4
yeah and I can see no be style different style Badwam team say ababonte say nam kwan so ni nyina benefo ne tenase a ye be hu iti kwase pacho wo de obo na sha se
na da wakata ne sha so nsa na me hye Jesse na Jesse dam hye
player number 7
yes send na jawadi ka aka no
me de me keep am da pom
okay nice one
bie ni ho a menche no ne me amini
eti and say from 7:40 ekosi 9 o'clock me kojo mensa moshosho
okay
Ghana for kojo ene tenase de pensempensemu aba
okay
na strictly sports ye Black Stars ahokeka ahead of your game wa ye ne Portugal ebebo ahead of your game wa ye ne Uruguay ebebo ahead of a game wa other counters edi ye ne ebo your preparation yes enura ye 2-0 against Switzerland na a sweet one for us but a catch be chere say team na de ebo enura no ye well prepared enough so betimi face Portugal, Uruguay, any other encounters na edi enim na eti ena ye tena sisi ya ye be hwe the nitty-gritty of the 26-man squad yeah coach Otu Ado and don't also forget say the 5 African teams now are qualified coach Otu Ado is the second highest paid coach
in Africa
for the 5 African teams now work for this year. He's the highest second paid coach, over 200,000.
I see.
A month. And expectation on coach Otu Ado high. In fact, he's the highest paid government official in Ghana.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Oh, say.
He is the highest paid government official. In fact, the salary crab room penny dear so.
There because see one penny dear. Ghana for you my for bebre aketu so China. Na Tobu will say he is the highest
paid government official
in Ghana.
In Ghana.
Coach
Otu Adom. In fact, the salary is £351,994.
Okay, question the one cat answer.
Manfana second say koma Kololo impressions. Omadaruma. And I just see I train me dia kwasinsia.
Okay.
E we chire e hye me.
Odama say.
From 0244 760 415. 0244 760 415. J ujesi ye papa.
Okay.
Ye ntwe odin e we chire. Ya je Ghana Black Stars dia no. Ye fa support your team. Isanse no e na ye wo.
Pacho you from Kololo.
Kololo impressions.
Kololo for Pacho Priscilla. Eti Kololo for ya da se mo hwehwe animu. Eti nyame hira mo ne mo hwehwe animu. Se mutimi eyema the Gaia's queen. Na waya makwasinsia na ode abetena ha na goalkeeper te se me. Mo tumi anwe me ho nyame hia mo no ma mo dwuma nkoso mo hwehwe animu ti e da mase anopai ma de pa eti kwasi e
Oforiata to resign. Daily guide ebisa sir.
Asembisa.
Yes.
Asembisa.
Cabinet reshuffle looms. There will be a breaking news today.
Apart from budget nechi.
A budget the same say 23rd or 24th. Mo adwin kran CPO. Yeah. Say 23rd or say 24th. And it says okay for now the himself finance minister they can budget but MPs do now say omon permanent kan. Okay. After enne I so 1 o'clock. You be only poor kan budget. You be who nipa.
And any breaking news no.
Yes.
Kwesi.
You be who nipa. Second of rata resign. Obedi na ade.
Kwesi who can send me no how.
Don't forget 10 o'clock.
Kwesi 10 o'clock will speak. Yes, yati ase ba who can send me no ha. Odi kan share ba kwa say Ken Oforiata budget no. Ene breaking news bisi.
Yes.
And I oko kan bi o say MPs no be say NPP MPs no be say
98.
Peneso manenkin.
Enkin kan budget.
And na e bi MPP for na bi bema e bi asida na no say chemensa enkin kan ye. And na okro ya so saka say 23rd na budget no be but ene no by 10 no resignation bi beba na ode papa yi do kwesi what bibi aka ne yenti
me say by 10 Ken Oforiata will speak
ene
yes
says kwesinsia
by 1
kwesi Adom online ma me koso na me say who dey we Ghana for no pay what's it 10 what's it
me say by 10 team yo
10
by 10 a.m. Ken Oforiata will speak
okay
by 1 p.m. You be who nipa obekenkan Ghana budget. Okay. By the same 1 p.m. Second Oforiata resign. You be who nipa obedi na ade.
Okay, so says openi kwesi 6. It's important.
You feel the same wada ho.
Emwada ho afede ya atiase. Enti ene no Ghana wo emre mu oshimienu a esi ebie yaso ehwe de eba ba ko ye 10 a.m. and about 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
And if you 1 p.m. no so kono. Odi adefo betimi aba.
Bibia betimi yes.
Obra obi nwuye.
Bibia betimi yes.
Okay, so question pacho me for adomonline.com no and to us na sensual motion. Oforiata hasn't been reckless. Adomako kisi na ekasa asemi. Na kwesi
yes.
Sensual motion no. Aka na he no mawie.
E say na fuanum. I think say omewie shall say Monday number. And je omewie ne say Ken Oforiata ka say we na say ne nyina to atwa.
Enti omewie na wo foforie abekasa twato.
Obekasa ne.
Whether omewie omewie on obekasa.
Omewie say na omewie so munyo Ken Oforiata will speak 10 a.m. today.
Okay. Enti Ghana for hwe maybe na obema sika na de akokata. What I say. So what I say?
Now you see, lady.
Yay.
Honorable Adom Akukisi. And Adana make us say. Majority MPs know. They are not being forthright with Ghanaians. Especially on their call for Ken Ofori-Atta to resign or be sacked. Dear na Ken Ofori-Atta aye yenti mo calling say on resign. Near majority MPs ne ka kire nyina ne say omo constituent ese omo mpe Ken Ofori-Atta. 2, the financial market players, businessmen, businesswomen, ese omo confidence in Ken Ofori-Atta no ayira asa. These are the 2 issues omo dey two element omo calling for Ken Ofori-Atta. And to be honest, we enye nyina so e me yem pam a minister. Because obi feeling there yentimi fa urane o man Ghana.
Na kwesi mpache wo mintwa no omo kan no tra say the constituents empe wo mu. And na mpache also second point in there.
Yes, also second point here say businessmen like the market say from say you make businessmen businesswomen.
Okay.
E wo Ghana say omo so need confidence biem. E wo Ken Ofori-Atta.
Okay, mpache.
These are niema mienu a ye ka say e wa bonten.
Mpache say constituents na omo mpe no.
Yeah.
Wọ́n sì ọmọ mpẹ̀nu because ẹ̀na businessmen no so no say wọ́n ní confidence.
Ẹ wọ Ken Ofori-Atta
ni mu because
ẹ̀nà bí esi
wọ́n kọ́ trasa.
ẹ̀nu ni yẹ issue no lady. Ẹ̀na minority say yẹ de yẹ wọ nyina so say Ken Ofori-Atta yẹ incompetent. Yẹ wọ nyina so say Ken Ofori-Atta ẹ̀nam koti kwa so ma Ghana bọ kẹ́ ni kwa se yẹ bọ. Yẹ wọ nyina so say Ken Ofori-Atta ayẹ conflict of interest. Ye wonyina so se Ken Ofori-Atta de ne sakobo abansi kemu ani kwa so de ne sakobo wanyi tumidie afa firi ba hye fiem we nyina majority si omo nkan bi omo nyi eno entum. Now on what basis na wo pese mampani e pam Ken Ofori-Atta?
Okay,
because using somebody's feeling I say oh my constituent say omo ani nyi Ken Ofori-Atta no to be honest it might not be fair to Ken Ofori-Atta say who you so obi feelings. Send osene ne nye wono die na wa yos na de nye but on the on person beka.
Okay, so kwasi yenya ma committee no.
Yenya ma omo because majority no yenya atwom.
Anti omo wi ana ne majority no dey say.
Yenya
for now no asem
so
majority.
So won kase papa no enya de.
Minority nsem and any mrasebe jafie for nsem but our committee nsem. And a committee no so e bia hwe bi.
Bia na se suro ne hu bia ba mu. Ni pass yempam no kan ye wa ya yempam na o send ye twetwere mebo. And na me conscience. Also conscience won nya de. Yempam wana.
Okay, and also yasembisa. So me to aso asamba ku ye wa ha de. Eyi na Bob Brisky no ho. Kwasi wonim no so oba na.
Me nim ne person scratch me hu no.
Wonim no na on person so.
Me person me hu no.
Na mpacho ahefo amonim no am person mu hu no no. Ene me tie hey. Why do many of you think I can't be a full-grown woman like you? Bob Brisky. And ebisa sasa me say adenti na amafo susu say wono Bob Brisky ontumi nye oba mua ontumi nyi nye oba mua te say de matie no wo a wonimu no a na asem yi fa ho no pacho wo bisa wasem me komenim Wizkid pays historic tribute to Davido by performing his song at concert in entertainment aye enigide mu nsem no ye nyina ye nim Davido na anu asem ya ye to no na se ne be ye nuanom ni adofo bi be hye ne kura be kire se de asie de asi na muadi nko ne aka ye nim no e wonyame nsem no e na Wizkid akọ perform ne nyom e de ahye no nunyam nti e no ho ensem ne da hanum say Iyoko National Security arrest alleged Nigerian fraud kingpin over $6.5 million. Dollars no so USD no bia. Enti pa adomonline.com no. Ensema wo ho ene da fia dai anopay ebi eno no. Eti Super Sports to broadcast hweye. Adom TV Adom FM Asempa FM wo ho. Enti ekwa no kra de ne kwan wa. Uni decoder bi no a wunya. Enti wo de hwa Adom TV. Ne ti Adom FM. Ene Asempa FM. Ye be yi ni nyina. De obekoso wo kata bia. This time obi konum kube obi kochi kosia wo. Obi so de kwasi forgery marriage certificate be ko ni nyira ye be yi nti kwasi mpacho adomonline.com.
Okay, daily guide no ba ko buwom Ye nwa da ache hini. Aye interview bi one Samuel Fosuampofo.
Okay.
In fact, interview no onya more. Yeah.
Onya ye den.
Onya ye show interview.
Okay.
Na aye recorded. Except na aba bonten. And a daily guide e de hu semaba. Uka se ye de ora Samuel Fosuampofo akwa akogina sem ni bia se. Oni ndisi fo akwohye dem akoka nsem bia ebo oman.
Pacho mekai.
Yes. Yase papa ne da ache hine nkomodim no. Waje tum se sa tape na ebe eye ono a. Na emom NDC fo a ono omko hye dem no e na adwenboni nti om record no.
Oh, okay.
Eti ena wa voice on leak tape mine. Samuel Fosu Ampofo ena e kan say.
Okay.
Ken's conflict of interest charge shut down. Takradi fake pregnancy woman now pregnant. Afre nyame Adom no enyem. Ghanaian Times. Violent extremism. Africa records 346 terrorist attacks in Q1 for 2022. GNPC clears finance minister of illegal payments into offshore account. Failure to check executive cost of exploitation of country's natural resources. Professor Abuchi. Esona eka ni seye. Ghanaian Times and the way e buy. Mind your line, SSI.
Yo. Enti dachi hene be ma ye hu sankomodie no.
Yes.
And dachi ene ye da se wo ma abotoye mabana enipa bi nso a wo mo ye eyi owura samofosua fofo atamfo ndesi mu no wo be mo hwada ho enti dachi ene ye mo ne adwuma nsa. Enti no myjoyonline.com so ene reduce e-levy to 0.1%. Dr. Ashibe to government. Asami Adom kasi mukra no MC Aboama ne dada se ochese tax aba digital cost no e ma wo monso wo montumi mfa hye papa nti aba hwe nye bibi efa ho eno ho asem e na ohu ye no censure motion. We have reputations. Katie Hammond peeved by atrocious reportage from day one of probe. Atrocious. Aboa. What's a brofo? Kwesi ase anything?
Yeah.
Atrocious. Asenke ya sechi kasa atrocem.
Okay. Ene so e wo twa kakakra.
Ene wo twa kakra. So de batwi mu a. Ene wo twa kakakra.
Wo de batwi mu ene wo twa kakakra.
Oh, okay. Atrocious. Atrocem.
Okay. Bo trimo kansem de susu. Wo se de na akwa se obi ofa ne se mesusu se.
Okay.
Me feel se.
Okay.
Me kai se. Ma adwen ya me se.
Okay.
And in fact, in journalism, against journalism.
No cray. Yenkase misusu
yes,
se.
Yenkase misusu se.
Enie say netie.
Me feel say. Oh, se na lady e ka na asem kwedie. Misusu se aha no de kwa akɔwie.
Eno yemfa nya.
De yemfa nya asem.
In fact,
Bible kran so ketia.
Okay. Yo, yate. Enti yeda sensa no pay yenya brofo ba ko bi da to bitreme. Ena moro matena mi do so. Ena nya brofo gagantoa. And I say Katie Hammond so they atrocious.
And swaba.
It's atrocious. Okay. It's no watch Anna's latest expose, Galam say economy. Okay. And no, say abese. Cause so netia na ye juna mo goalkeeper itra. Me juna ha ne player number 7.
Yes.
Opening question 6. Now the guy skills I feel no better player and na baby a obejina no. And also beba. But on myjoyonline.com, no say Black Stars a 3-year ban lauded on social media for impressive performance against Switzerland. Onipaya dia
osaye.
Wafa ban ye krache.
Oh yeah dear. What has of focus so nim pa. What has of focus so nim pa. At least quiet do am quiet no. E calm.
Yeah. Omo nyina ya de na so no eye de ya ba akode obe ya de so ba ne ene anuanom anu amobọ match no mama nkurahye abam akwankoye se anano de no iti ba ne we nu de na prapra kwamu de so be yi nkete de adwuma de wanim ene se anopai me de ada ne me hu goalkeeper ni nyina ya nu avim no